Do you want money online? So very easy and simple. So we first the work. This referral is click the referral, click the referral and enter and open the site. So this site is sign in, sign up, sign in. First sign in. So I am logging in the site. So don't have an account. The sign in page. First name, first name, first name, first name is H-A-H-I-D. H, first name D, H-H-A-H-I-D, U-L, second and last name I-H-L-A-N. Is the email address. This is site. My email address is shahidul. My email password. I like password. And create. This site is approved instantly. Save and sign in. Automatically open the site and sign in. Okay. And start earning. $3 give me. Referral share. It's work easy. Referral shares others social media. Click, 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 click buttons. Its link, profile link. Add the profile link and share Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. In payment route. Here in the name, get paid 2018 10 day 30 dashboard. So easy and simple to work. No experience, no investment, and start earning. Dashboard and profile, state address or city for state, phone number, and country. Select the country. All okay. And save. Okay. Google Plus, Twitter, Facebook. Share this referral link and per click unique agent. Share your referral URL on social media and earn up to dollar per unique visitor. Per visitors $1. Hit your $1 and referral $1. So you can make by promoting your referral link every time someone sign up to your website through your link. You earn money. There is much tax to accomplish daily and much bonuses to win. Start from 5 per task and up to 20 per hours. There is no limit of what you can earn daily. You can make as much as you spend on working with us. In other words, a simple 2 by 3 hours of working can make you $100 and $500 per day. How do I promote my referral link? Promote your referral link on forums, blog, comments, chat, Facebook wall, Facebook page, group, Twitter, PTC sites, advertising, website to get link visit and earn money on every visit you send through your link. My earning is sure now. My earning is for $54.3909. 1159 click. So you can earn very easy and simple to so sign up and sign up and this referral share social media and start the work.